welcome to RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be talking about cursive handwriting and steps to improve cursive handwriting in a very easy way. So let's start the video. So in this video we'll be trying with the cursive writing. So normally the letters are connected to each other, so we'll try to check like how we can improve on it. So what we will need to write in cursive, let's check that. So we can start practicing with a grid paper, so it helps to get the alignment correctly. So then we can use rule book. So as you practice more on a grid, then we go to the rule, so we can just check that an alignment of vertical or slanted. So then we can go for the blank paper, like as we have enough practice on the rules, so we can go for the blanks. Next we can try with pointed pens or pencils. So like the more it is pointed, so the better will be the handwriting. We may or may not use a ruler, so it is better to have one ruler to check the scaling. So that's it. Now we should see like how to write in cursive. Like we have discussed all the gears we need. Now let's check how we can write properly and clearly. We should try to maintain equal spacing between the letters or the sentences, which will look good. And the alignment can be either slanted or vertical. So according to one's wish, we can choose slanted or vertical, but it is very important that the alignment is slanted for all the sentences, or like throughout the page, throughout the essay or whatever we write. And then we should avoid too many strikes. Like in case of correction, we try to make multiple lines to rub the word, so we should just strike with one line, which will be better. So too many strikes will not be good, so we select with one strike for a word. So last we can try writing a paragraph format. Like we may not have many sentences, but in some case, like when we have many sentences, so we try to maintain a paragraph structure. Finally, a paragraph has been written, and it is fine that it may happen that all the words, ending words, may not land in a vertical line, or it is fine. And thank you everyone for watching this video till here. So please subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you once again.